guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Nica. Have you been subscribed to my channel? If you haven't been subscribed, please do subscribe and also click on the notification bell below so that you'll be updated every time I upload a new video. And as you know, I'm going to give you free tips, tricks, hacks in life. So what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Keep on watching. It's important that we dehydrate ourselves with water. So guys, today's look is going to be a little bit more of yung look na parang hindi ka na makikilala ng jowa mo. Ganun. Kasi medyo makapal ito. Hindi naman pang runway. Hindi naman din yung pang drag. But, you know, we're gonna go for the look na medyo full coverage. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara na! Paghahaluin natin tong foundation na meron ako. I don't know if this is even a foundation, but this is called MAC Light Full tinted cream as well. Ihahalo ko lang siya dun sa BB cream. Okay? So, ano pang hinihintay? Paghaluin siya. Ang lamig today, guys. Alam niyo yun. Sobrang lamig. Like, hinubad ko lang ngayon kasi nag-film ako dito sa loob ng room at wala akong electric fan or anything. Pero sobrang lamig talaga, guys. Naka-fan pa rin yung aking anak. Kasama ko nag-work dun sa sala. Tulog sila. At yung aking mudrakels. Yung isa pang anak. Grabe, super lamig. Okay? So, to build the coverage, you're gonna have to add more. But in this case, I'll use yung Says Lady in the shade number 3. But this is more of a concealer. Kasi hindi ako yung ma-concealer na tao. Kasi sa akin, kung may eye bags ako, push lang besh. Right. Magbe-bake tayo. Gamitin natin yung kabilang side na to. Okay. We're gonna use still the favorite one, which is yung L'Oreal. At syempre, nasaan ang mga kagamitan ko? Diba? Nawawala. Yan, spoolie. At maglilinis tayo ng ating tag na to, kilay bash. Ayan. Ganyan lang. Foundation concealer nyo. Banyo lang ng konti. Para yung, ito na rin yung magiging parang base nyo doon sa inyong gagawing eye look. So, gamitin ko na lang itong, kasi naman yung order ko sa Shopee. Gamitin ko na lang itong MAC na blush on. Okay. As a base. So, yan. Pan-transition natin, guys. Hanapin nyo lang, ganyan lang kayo. Kasi pag hindi kayo gumanon, hindi nyo makikita yung part na to ng mata nyo. So, importante talaga na gumanon kayo. Okay? Yung muna yung sa darker shade. Kasi second transition na natin ito, diba? So, gamitin natin tong palette ng Clinique ulit. So, ito. Yan. Ito guys, yung dark brown or something. Puwa lang kayo ng konti. Okay. And then yung pinakang last na transition natin. Now, you wanna put the colors, you wanna bring it below. Ito, sa baba ng eyes. Enough na yung baking natin, so iba-brush off na natin yung baba. At yung blush ay magko-contour tayo. Yung brown muna yung gamitin natin. Ang contour sa nose natin ay okay. May bronzer ako, pero hindi ko rin alam kung saan ko nilagay. Yes! What is wrong with me? Anyway, ito naman ang brown. I-bake natin yung sa may ibaba ng face natin dito. Okay. Para sa nose, pang contour natin. Same color na rin, guys. Okay. So, yung dito, slide mo lang yan pababa. Okay. Yan, ganyan lang. Ka magsimula. Siyempre tayo ay mag-eyeliner. Brush off na natin to. We're gonna use the same MAC blush one. Ito din. Highlight muna tayo. I think I used this one previously para siyang ganito lang, guys. Ganyan lang. Ellen Tracy. And guys, there's a little trick that I wanted to show you. Tissue. Okay. So, lagyan din natin ng orange yung ibabaw niya. Maybelline. Alright, I'm gonna finish the look and I'll be right back. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video again, and this was the finished look for this particular tutorial. So this is a little bit of, you know, glam look that you can definitely do if you're attending a party or if you have a, you know, a date not during the night, because it's definitely going to make you glow and stand out. So I hope you learned something new, and if you do have questions about how I created this look or anything particular about this tutorial, let me know, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Thank you so much, and as usual, don't forget to click and subscribe and like this video.